Here are 10 underrated ways to make money online utilizing AI. I've organized them nicely on this list based on their difficulty levels and income potential. And I'm going to walk you through each one of them to show you how you can do it too. The first one is affiliate marketing using AI content tools. So for those of you who are not familiar with affiliate marketing, the easiest way to understand it, it's you're basically promoting someone else's product and services in exchange for a commission. For example, there's a website called The Diamond Pro, and they make guides and educational contents and reviews about diamonds. And when a reader clicks on their affiliate link and make a purchase, the Diamond Pro website earns a commission at no extra cost to the buyer. And here's how you can use AI to automate this entire process. To create the writing content, you can use AI writing tools like Jasper or even ChatGPT. Just prompt these tools and you can get a pretty nice articles or blog posts ready to go in minutes. Then you can use a tool like impact.com to easily join many different affiliate programs from different companies by signing up as a partner. Once you register, you can browse through all these different kind of affiliate programs and you can apply to the ones that you like directly on the website. Also, on top of that, you can even manage your partnerships and track your performance and earnings all in one place. All right, before we continue, I know that a lot of you guys watching are probably busy entrepreneurs or content creators like myself. The last thing we want is to add unnecessary work into our already busy life. That's why I want to introduce you to Riverside, my go-to video editing and recording tool. Not only I love using it to record audio and videos at the highest quality possible, but it also comes with so many features that's gonna make your content creation a breeze. For example, their AI magic clip feature is a total game changer. With just a click, it turns a long form videos into really engaging short form videos that are perfect for social media. But don't worry, it's not just any random clips. It uses AI to recognize and pick out the best moments from your long form video. Instead of digging in and spend hours editing and pick out those moments, the AI will do it for you automatically and instantly. You can use the set pace features to easily remove any unwanted silence and pauses. All you gotta do is to adjust the slider, and by cutting out more pauses, it's gonna create a faster paced video, which is great for short form social media clips, or you can remove less pauses to keep the video more conversational, perfect for podcasts or longer content. The AI show notes tool can automatically generate handy summaries for your video description and show notes for your podcast. Additionally, and this one is also a time saver, is that I love that it can generate timestamps that you can use to put it on your chapters for your podcast or chapters for your YouTube video. It would take me hours to go over all those mind-blowing features that Riverside has. Plus, they just released a new editor which it lets you color code speaker labels, remove and move sections around your recordings, and import content from your computer. So I would highly suggest you to try it out for yourself. Sign up for free using the link in my description. Use my code to get 15% off. Let's move on to the second method, and that is creating faceless social media content using AI tools and then monetize them through AdSense, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, all of that. For example, this faceless YouTube channel has made over $84,000 in the last 6 months. The crazy part about this channel is that all of the videos on this channel are made easily with AI tools. Well, I know some of you guys are probably already heard about this one, and I'm super excited as well, which is OpenAI Sora. So with Sora, you can easily generate high quality, realistic videos from just text. Alternatively, you can use another AI tool called InVideo, and it will do the same thing. If you want to take your videos to the next level and add, let's say, a host, you can use an AI avatar generator like HeyGen, and you can easily make an avatar using your photos or videos. This method works particularly well in the travel, health, and educational niche. You can do things like top 5 places to visit or top 10 things and stuff like that. So honestly, there's so much you can do. The next method might come as a shocker to some of you guys because it absolutely was for me, and that is creating ebooks using AI tools. When I find out just how much money you can actually make from book sales, I was like shocked. Did you know that on average, a book publishing company is making $2 million per month from selling books? Also, there's a kid built an entire book company value at almost $1 million, and all he did was generating books using AI tools and market them on Pinterest to middle-aged mom. So Yeah, so I'm sure a lot of you probably already know what AI tools to create those writing, but here are some of the things that you might not know when it comes to ebooks. So the first thing is actually to find a niche that has a lot of traffic, aka doing some research on some of the best-selling books on Amazon. Then the second step is actually understand how to prompt your ChatGPT or any of your AI writing tool to get exactly what you need. So I'm gonna insert some resources in the description box to help you master prompting, because that's one of the most important skills you need when it comes to using AI writing tools. Then I highly recommend you to actually read some of your competitors' book to understand what to include and what makes those books sell. Then aside from making your book, the next most important thing is to actually market your book. And what you can do is you can use an AI website builder like Wizard to create a landing page so that more people can know what your book is about before making a purchase. You can also run ads to generate more traffic and sales that way too. So the next method, it's all about using AI to generate high quality, unique photos and then sell them on stock photography websites. There's actually a large demand for businesses to own stock photos on their website or ads, and the prices on some of those photos that they're using are just ridiculous. Keep in mind that not all stock photos accept AI generated image, but I've done my research and here's the list that do accept them. Among all those websites, Adobe Stock is the only high volume stock photography websites that do accept AI generated image. So in terms of the tools that you can use, I highly recommend Midjourney, and here's a setting if you want to create those realistic high quality image. Number next, and that is through selling visual arts and design created by AI, but not just any kind of art. So according to my research, the type of art that people usually would pay for are game character art, album covers, or artwork that will resonate with people emotionally. So think about like pets, friendships, family members, right? People that tend to care about these kind of things. In terms of tools, any AI art generator can work, such as Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. But you might be thinking, like, why would people pay for my art when they can just use ChatGPT themselves or use Midjourney themselves? Well, first of all, not a lot of people are aware of that. But second of all, not everyone has time or knows how to prompt these tools. So if you know, then yeah, that's something that you can definitely sell. So you can sell your artwork through Fiverr, but it's genuinely very difficult to sell as a beginner because you might not have reviews and there's a lot of competition. So what you can do instead is that you can just go onto social media platform like TikTok, Instagram, and reach out to people there. Or you can even promote your artwork on places like Facebook group and then get people to notice you that way too. Let's move on to something that will take a little bit more effort but can make you a ton more money. And one of them is monetizing through AI social media influencers. Wild. Okay, so there's an AI generated Instagram influencer who has 250,000 followers on Instagram, and she's making $10,000 a month through brand deals. Although she's not a real person, but you know who's making the money? Yes, the person, the creator of that AI model. I found a very good YouTube tutorial that went into step-by-step on how you can do that, so the link is in my description box. But basically the tools are only Midjourney and crch.ai. Oh, and also you can use Google Collab if you want to make hyper-realistic videos of your AI influencer. Next, and that is through becoming a content creator specializing in AI content. For this category, I'm going to use myself as an example. I'm not a huge content creator by any means, but I am making money through my page. As you can see on my TikTok page, I've created a lot of videos about AI tools that I think are beneficial for my audience and tools that I genuinely use. So of course, when I started out, I was doing it for free, just kind of sharing stuff that I like. But as I grew my account, more followers and more views, brands started to notice me, and guess what they did? They reach out to me and offer me sponsorship deals. So that's the moment when I realized that, hey, I can actually make some money out of this. And I did. So if you're passionate about AI and you're comfortable making videos and talking in front of the camera, then I think this is a great way for you to make money online. The creativities are honestly endless. You can create tutorials on how to use certain AI tools. You can make videos reviewing AI tools, or you can even make exclusive content about AI tools or AI trends. And you can charge anything from a couple $100s to even a couple thousands of dollars for one single video. But of course, that depends on your viewership memberships and your followers. Number next is through print on demand with AI tools. So if you don't know what it is, print on demand or pod is a business model where you print your custom designs on products like mugs, phone cases, or even t-shirts. But instead of printing a bunch of them and making them and waiting for them to be sold, you actually print them as they're being purchased. So that means no inventory headaches or upfront costs. For example, this pod business makes over $200,000 selling t-shirts and mugs with niche quotes and designs. It's a pretty lucrative business model if you ask me. But you can do the same thing too. So go onto a site like Etsy and search up a niche that you're interested in. And then you're gonna do some research on the type of products that people are buying and how you can make them better. Then you can use ChatGPT to generate quotes, slogans, and type of design that you can print on your product. Then you can use an AI image generator like Midjourney to make your design. Now, once you have your slogan and your design done, then you can use a print-on-demand service like Printful to make your products happen. And the good thing is that this site is free. You only pay when you get orders. So pretty good for beginners. On to the more high effort and high payoff category. And one of them is being AI automation agency. So if you've never heard about AI automation agency, it's basically an online business model where you work with business to help them reduce their expense and increase their profit over time. And the best part about this business model and the things that makes it so beginner friendly and scalable is that you don't really need to code, because you'll be using no code or low code tools to create these AI solutions. So according to my research, here's a list of AI automation services that you can provide for business. So make sure to screenshot it. You can use an AI chatbot builder like chatsimple.ai to easily set one up. Like I said, it's no code, so it's super easy to use. So what you can do is you can train the bot by either connecting it to a website, providing a PDF, or by writing a bunch of information that's going to go into the bot's knowledge base, which it will then use all those information that it received and trained on and answer questions from your customers. So once your chatbot is ready, then you can sell this chatbot to different businesses, and you can even help them integrating the chatbot into their website. Okay, so if you want to challenge yourself more and you're aiming for something that's going to give you a higher income potential, then the next one is for you. And that is developing AI software. Now, software is one of the best business models because you just need to develop your app once and then you can just sell it forever without incurring any extra cost. For example, Tweet Hunter is an AI software that was sold for like 8 figures 18 months after they were launched. So basically, this software just goes into your Twitter account, analyze your tweets, and helps you write better tweets to help you go viral and grow your Twitter account. So basically, just find a specific niche with high demand and build a software product around it. And you can use a no-code software called Bubble to do it. So Bubble is this AI software developer that will help you build a fully functional software with no code. You might be wondering, why were people talking about Amazon affiliates, a social media marketing agency, or drop shipping? That's because software companies used to be very hard to start. But time is changing and we have so many AI tools and no-code tools like Bubble available. Yeah, it would just make the process much easier and a lot more available for normal people like you and me. Now, if that's not enough, I've got a bonus for you. And that is investing in AI companies or AI stocks. We already know that AI is not just a hype, it is the future. And AI has already made its way into so many different industries like healthcare, finance, education. This is only the beginning, right? And if you think about it, if you invest early, imagine the rewards in 5 to 10 years down the road. It's huge. So you can do it through either investing in individual stocks or investing in ETFs or mutual funds that focus their investment in AI stocks. According to my research, here's a list of top companies in AI. Either ways, you should choose companies and products that you believe in and do your own research. Now, I know that this tip is not for beginners at all, and it does require a certain level of financial risk, but the payoff is substantial. And if you made it all the way here, I'm quite confident that you might find this video helpful, where I expose some life-changing hacks that helps you make content faster and get more views. Also, don't forget to check out Riverside using the link in my description and my code to get 15% off on your subscription. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!